Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Very often I find myself that I need my hands free, and this Kapton Universal Phone Lanyard has helped me to do whatever I need to do with my hands, but have my phone right next to me without compromising my look or my outfit since it's a super cute design so I can wear it pretty much every day. I love that it comes with the option of a crossbody or a neck lanyard or the wrist strap. So I get to decide which one fits for the day, and the quality of the item is really nice. It's really easy to assemble. I just put the patch inside of the phone case and I get to connect the lanyard, either the wrist one or the long one. So I love options. And this universal phone lanyard is giving me options. And that's my point of view.